Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok search history. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the profile icon. When you're on your profile, you're going to head to the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy, the last option. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on activity center. When you're on activity center, you will find your search history, the third option. Click on it. Now you can actually click and delete, for example, select, and we can delete the first search query. This is how you can go about it. If you want to delete multiple, if not all of your search queries on TikTok, this is how we're gonna go about it. You click on the top right corner, you click select, okay? Then I want you to look at the lower left corner. There is a special menu that just pop out, right? You click on select all search history. And then you're gonna click delete all. You see what this is going to do? Delete all search queries in the past 180 days. This is very, very good, guys. You might see that this is essentially you have a 6-month period in which everything that you search simply will be deleted. And I gotta mention that this action cannot be undone. When you click it, like I'm gonna do, done. Your search history on TikTok has been deleted. You're welcome, guys. This is how simple it is to clean and delete your search history on TikTok. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more.